Welcome to Destination Side Hustle. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. In this video, we are going to review the Bitcoin Miner Idle Tycoon app. Bitcoin Miner is a totally free app that allows you to earn free portions of Bitcoin while playing the game and watching ads. Bitcoin Miner is owned by the FUM Games company located in the United Kingdom. FUM Games has 3 mobile games and over 258,000 members with over 20 million plus downloads. The Bitcoin Miner Idle Tycoon app is totally free, has a 4.7 star rating. The app is available both on the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. For the game, you simply unlock site areas on the map. You mine, upgrade the miners, and mine the levels to earn more points. While doing this, you earn Satoshi coins, which are fractional bits of Bitcoin. The more the miners bring in, the more you can unlock the mines and get more Satoshi tokens. The game also has various power-ups and ways to improve your mining factories. For example, you can clone the coin. You can explode for instant rewards. The arrow up is 2 times the coin value. And these red things are called nodes. If you collect a certain amount of nodes, you can purchase certain things to help advance the mines. You can also sell your portfolio every 4 hours to earn more GPUs. The higher the GPUs, the easier it is to get Satoshi tokens. You can find your GPU rank in the top right corner of the app. In addition, you can purchase upgrades. However, that would take a long time to make your money back, so I do not recommend this, but do your own diligence. Now, ads are a part of the game, and that is what allows you to earn Bitcoin. It is an idle type of game, so you can earn even when you're not playing. Bitcoin Miner has a max daily withdrawal limit of 330 Satoshi tokens. This equates to about 0.000033 Bitcoin. This amount value varies with the price of Bitcoin. For example, when Bitcoin is at 100,000, it would be about 33 cents per day. So it's not going to make you rich, but it only takes a couple of minutes of your time during a particular day. Another cool feature of Bitcoin Miner is the earnings go directly into a wallet within minutes. In terms of withdrawals, Bitcoin Miner currently has 2 wallet apps to withdraw to: Cash App and ZBD wallets. Now you're going to have to create an account for these particular apps. I recommend Cash App as I have had trouble with the ZBD wallet and their withdrawal process and verification. Here is some proof of the Cash App deposits. So overall, Bitcoin Miner is a simple way to earn a little extra Bitcoin. You're not going to get rich with this game. However, it only requires a little bit of your time to earn fractional shares of Bitcoin. Another cool feature is that it's very easy to withdraw to the Cash App, and it can be done in seconds to minutes. So hopefully you found this video informative and helpful. Check out my other Side Hustle app videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.